How to prepare your personal income statement. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be learning how to prepare a personal income statement. This is a crucial financial document that gives you an overview of your financial health. It lists your incomes and expenses, allowing you to manage your finances better. Let's start with understanding what an income statement is. It's a detailed record of an individual's earnings and expenditures over a specific period. It allows you to see where your money is going, enabling you to control your spending better. Now, let's dive into the preparation. First, identify your sources of income. This can be your salary, rental income, dividends, or any other income. Make sure to include all sources, whether they're regular or occasional. Next, calculate your total income. Add up all your income sources. This gives you your total income. It's essential to be accurate here, as this is the starting point of your income statement. Now, let's move on to expenses. List down all your expenses. This can include your rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and any other expenses. Don't forget to include infrequent expenses like annual insurance premiums or property taxes. Then, calculate your total expenses. Add all your expenses together. This gives you your total expenses. Like with income, accuracy is key here. Ensuring you've included all expenses will give you a true picture of your financial situation. The next step is to subtract your total expenses from your total income. This gives you your net income. If the number is positive, you're spending less than you earn. If it's negative, you're spending more than your earnings. Now, let's analyze your income statement. Look at where the majority of your income is coming from and where most of your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you could potentially save money or increase income. Finally, use your income statement to make financial decisions. If you're spending more than you earn, you need to either increase your income or decrease your expenses. If you're earning more than you spend, you could consider saving or investing the surplus. Remember, an income statement is a living document. It should be updated regularly to reflect changes in your income or expenses. This way, it can always provide an accurate picture of your financial health. Congratulations! You've just prepared your personal income statement. You're now better equipped to manage your finances. Keep revisiting and updating your statement to stay on top of your financial game. Remember, the key to financial success is understanding your income and expenses. With your personal income statement, you're well on your way. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and informative.